Hello everyone and welcome to Art and Design. My name is Thorgeir and in this video we're going to compare Paperlike to two other matte screen protectors from AliExpress. Let's check it out. Alright, so in my last video about Paperlike, I got a lot of comments from people saying that I shouldn't waste my money on Paperlike because apparently there are cheaper alternatives that are just as good. I was really curious about that, so in this video I want to find out. So I bought two matte screen protectors from AliExpress that ranked towards the top of the search results. They were about $7 for one and about $10 for the other. Now, they're both supposed to do the same thing as Paperlike does, and we'll see how they compare later on in the video. Now, as some of you might know, I have an affiliate link with Paperlike, so instead of recommending one product or another, let me just show you what these products are like and you can make up your own opinion. Now, the Paperlike arrived to me in a stiff cardboard envelope. Inside the envelope were two Paperlike screen protectors, one large microfiber cloth, some wet wipes, and when it came time to apply the Paperlike to the iPad, I was helped by a step-by-step instructions which were linked to in the box. And along with that, there were also a few other bits and bobs. Now, both AliExpress products came in these huge styrofoam boxes, and I guess the purpose of these boxes is to protect the screen protectors during transit. Now, I personally think this is a little bit too much waste in order to ship products like these. It's about 300 grams of styrofoam waste for both of them, so 150 per product. But if we take a look at what's inside the styrofoam boxes, we can see that the first AliExpress product came with no instructions. It was just the screen protector, dry wipes, and a bubble removal card. And I guess you're just supposed to Google how to apply it or something. But yeah, that was it. The third product, which was the more expensive AliExpress product, it came in a big envelope which had some written instructions on them, and I'll talk about those in a little bit. But inside the envelope, they included identical wet wipes and dry wipes and bubble removal card as the other AliExpress product. I guess they're probably sourcing this from the same supplier. Apart from that, they also included a small microfiber cloth to clean the screen. Okay, so how easy was it to apply these products to the iPad? Well, if you bought the cheapest product, you're in bad luck because there were no instructions. You sort of have to just figure this out for yourself. Luckily, I have done this once or twice before, and without going into too much detail here, it involves cleaning the screen with a wet and dry wipe, which for both AliExpress products are absolutely tiny and did not do the job good enough. You can just see how dirty the screen was after I tried for a few minutes to clean it. I was just not able to get it any cleaner than that. So I had to cheat and use another microfiber cloth that I had laying around to finish polishing off the screen. After cleaning it, it was just a matter of using the guide stickers to line up the screen protector, remove any extra dust that may have settled in the meantime. And well, I may have overestimated my abilities to apply this thing because I ended up with a ton of air bubbles. I managed to squeeze most of them out, but yeah, it was a hassle. Some instructions or helpful hints would have been well appreciated. Anyways, the second AliExpress product was pretty much the exact same experience, except this time I tried using the instructions that came on the envelope. And well, let's just say there's room for improvement here. Here are a few examples to illustrate what I mean. A corner of the plate, red arrow, paste according to the standard. Because the protective film is peeling off blue, there's no problem with the wound. Well, I guess it's better than nothing, maybe? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, with regards to applying it, it was pretty much the same as with a cheaper product, except they did include a medium-sized microfiber cloth to clean the screen, so that was nice. Paperlike was a whole different story. It was very clear that Paperlike has spent a lot of time and effort into understanding and optimizing the customer experience. Things like including two Paperlikes in the box instead of just one, large wet wipes which actually managed to clean the screen, the large microfiber cloth, and so on. The step-by-step video instructions were also super simple to follow and included a bunch of helpful tips and explanations to ensure proper application. At no point in the process of applying Paperlike did I feel like I wasn't sure what to do next. Which brings us to what it was actually like to use them. For me, there was a clear outlier that simply felt not okay to draw on, and that was the cheapest product. The main problem was the inconsistency across the screen. You'd be drawing something over here and it feels alright, but move your pencil a few inches along the screen and suddenly the pencil starts gliding like you're drawing on glass. The the more expensive AliExpress product had this same problem as well, but much less than the cheapest product. Aside from the slight inconsistency in friction across the screen, it was actually quite okay to draw on, I would say. Now, I know the feel of the product is a pretty subjective thing to talk about, but in all honesty, from my personal experience, Paperlike felt best to draw on. They seem to be doing something different here. Maybe it's the nanodot technology that they talk about in the marketing material. I don't know. The texture simply felt a lot smoother, and there was also much less color noise. And what do I mean by color noise? Well, let me show you. So what you're looking at right now is a zoomed in view of the surface of Paperlike. What you see is the textured material on the Paperlike screen protector. Okay? Now I'm gonna switch to the more expensive AliExpress product right now. Do you spot the difference? Okay, now let me switch to the cheapest product. Now this is actually what you're drawing on. This is exactly what produces the Paperlike feel of the product, but the side effect of having this bumpy plastic material on top of the screen is that the light from the screen has to travel through this material. And when it does, the light scatters. With regards to the cheapest product, it scatters significantly. And each color of light will scatter slightly differently through the material. Think of a prism. And this produces this sort of sparkly, colorful effect. Some people don't seem to be bothered by this, while other people really despise it. So I can't say if you'll be okay with this or not, but what I can say is that Paperlike has the least amount of this color noise. Will it scratch over time? All of these products are thin plastic films, and they will scratch. There's no way around that. If you buy any of these products, you will see wear and tear after using it. So just keep that in mind. These products are made out of plastic, and what you should expect to see is the areas that you draw on the most will wear down and color noise will become more apparent. Will it wear down my pencil? Yes. So you might need to buy additional Apple Pencil nibs in the future. So that is it for this video. I want to thank you all very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, did this help you make up your mind? And if it did, which one would you choose if you were to spend your own money on this? Anyways, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. See you. Bye-bye.